Whether you enjoy entertaining or the privacy of your own oasis, this home offers it all. Located in the small gated community of Osprey Ridge, consisting of only 36 homes, this home is one of a kind. Let's take a tour. Most people have to wait till vacation to enjoy a lifestyle like this. Here at 168 Osprey Ridge, you can enjoy this every day. This home is located only 3 minutes from Jessica Clinton Boat Ramp, close to shopping, beaches, and entertainment. If this is a lifestyle you want to live, schedule your private showing today.